Guys, welcome back, and today we are in Malaa to bring you this beautiful listing, a 3-bedroom maisonette, all en suite with a DSQ with an open terrace going for 13M, sitting on 40 by 80 plot size. Absolutely beautiful property, so stick out to the end. So let's start from out here. You do have your license right here for privacy from your neighbors, and here is your parking for 2 cars, and you can see how green this place is. Absolutely beautiful. Some more exotic grass. It will be so beautiful. This is such a nice area for your kids to play in. This is absolutely perfect for growing family. So moving on to the facade of the house, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I love the large windows. They are so beautiful. They bring a lot of natural light inside the house. And also, can we appreciate the neutral colors that they used? I really love this estate. And here we do have a wall cladding right here. It's so beautiful. Who doesn't love a wall cladding? Here is our covered patio, and guys, I love this detail over here. Bring it into the house. But before we go inside, right here you do have a very beautiful detail as well. You can do the plants of your choice right here. This is rosemary, but you can absolutely do whatever you want. So I will show you that part when we get to the kitchen. It's also accessible through the kitchen. So let's see the house now. Here is the living area of the house, and how much space is this? Super spacious, so spacious, very well lit. And guys, you can either use this wall or this wall right here to place your TV. You got options right here. As you can see, we have some wall sconces which are absolutely beautiful. The lights are off, so we are shooting with natural lighting, and you can see how well lit it is. So yeah, you can see as you can see right here, we do have a lot of wainscoting. Absolutely beautiful. You do have a gypsum ceiling at the top. Absolutely beautiful. Now moving on this other side, here is our dining area, and you can mark this space by this very large window, floor to ceiling. I really love it. It's absolutely beautiful. And here is the space. You can actually fit a table for 8. You have your sockets right there and a beautiful lighting fixture up there. Absolutely beautiful. And here is our bar area. I love these open plan kitchens because they don't, they open up the house. You can get very good airflow even when you're cooking. A granite bar top, which is absolutely beautiful. You'll just place bar stools here and you're fine. It will also be your breakfast bar, right? And here we do have a very gorgeous lighting fixture. So moving on to this other side, we are still following here. So for you to get the floor of the house, there is the main door, and here is the staircase leading us upstairs. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. You can see the railing, so beautiful, similar to what we have outside. Also the gate. So I love the cohesiveness. So here are our steps, and you can also see here we have the wainscoting going on. And moving on closer, right here we have our powder room, clock room, and here we do have some storage. Look at all of that storage. You can place, the whole family shares, right? So come inside, we see the washroom. So in this space here, we do have a hand wash basin and our mirror. This is where your guests will wash their hands. And moving on is our washroom. So let's go and see the kitchen. Kitchen is so spacious, very beautiful. You look at all of that space, you're getting really so much space. So when you come in, we have a lot of cabinetry right here. We do have these pull-out drawers which are really good, really beautiful, and the same granite we saw in the bar area, and here is the bar area. So here is the space for our cooker. So when you finish cooking, you just place it here and enjoy your meal with your family. So moving on this way, we do have some open shelving. Absolutely love this. This is where we have our double sink and these beautiful hangers over here. When you wash your kitchen clothes right here, you can just hang them here. Very convenient. So actually with this double sink, we do have this thingy right here to place your liquid soap. So there's a bottle underneath there, so you just pump it and wash, maybe rinse and place your dishes, your drying rack up here. And we also have some other place right here to place. What can you place here? Things to wash your dishes. All right, so moving on to this other side, so much space. Look at all of that. And on the top there we do have some more space, and here this is where you place your double door fridge. So let's go and see the backyard. From our kitchen we have this place to, the DSQ is behind here. I'll show you that in a bit. So right here you can access the DSQ in the kitchen without going through the house. You know, that makes a lot of sense. And you can see somebody was escaping. It is included in the service fee, which is only 3,500 inclusive of water. The water is borehole water, so it's actually very cheap. So coming on this way, here is our bar. So if you would like to host your friends, maybe barbecue, you can do it right here. You can play some drinks over here, you know. So right here you can see we have continued with the same live fence, and here are your hanging lines. Moving on to this other side, so let's check out the DSQ, which is right here. Is also en suite, and right here we do have our wardrobe. So let's check out its washroom. On this side we do have our shower area, a very nice shower caddy, soap and everything. And right here, welcome to the first floor of this house. This is where we have our master bath. Let's check out the rest of the bedrooms first. So here is the boys' bedroom. Look at that. This is the color scheme they went with, but you can obviously change it to white if that's what you prefer, or actually any color that you prefer. It's totally allowed. So moving on, right here we do have a wardrobe slash study area. Right here you will just place a seat for your baby, and they can do their homework from here. They actually have some partitions over here where they can, you know, place their books, stationery and whatnot. Moving on this way, we have our washroom. When you come in, you do have your hand wash basin right here, mirror, and this lighting fixture that we saw, shower caddy, or just extra storage for you. And right here you have your shower, the WC. Let's check out the girls' bedroom now. Here is the second bedroom, just the same thing but a different room and different color. Girls' bedroom looks like so, and you can see what a beautiful lighting fixture this is. So on here you do have the same wardrobe with the same study area. Here we have our large window, and I hope you guys can see the Machakos Hills from here. You have the same view even in the boys' bedroom. It is also en suite, so right here you have the same things, same washroom and same shower head. Very beautiful. Now let's check out the master. Right here is our master. So much space, and you can see the wainscoting continues even to here and even to these other walls right here. Absolutely beautiful. So this is where your headboard goes. You can see the sockets on both sides, and here are the switches to, you know, to turn on and off the lights, the chandelier, the downlighters, which I think is so thoughtful. So now let's proceed to the walk-in closet. Imagine for 13M you're also getting a walk-in closet. So here it is, so much space. You have the closed ones right here. You can hang your shirts and jackets and blouses right here, and here we have the open shelving. Absolutely beautiful. And this one is actually lockable, so you can place your valuables right inside there. Now let's check out its washroom. Even the washroom is so spacious. Look at all of that space. So on the end there we have your WC. You do have your hand wash basin and a mirror right here. You also get a toothbrush holder. You have a shower caddy right here, and right here is your shower area. You can actually install a shower cubicle right here, and just to make sure the water doesn't spread everywhere, they have elevated this other part. So here is a shower cubicle. Now let's check out the balcony. Here is the balcony, super spacious. Actually, I've seen some people in the neighborhood have installed, you know, a shade and also Jua ya machako si mchezo, but you can install a shade right here and it will look so good. Install place outdoor furniture. This is a gem, so you can see the view of the area, the view of the neighborhood. Absolutely beautiful. Now for a better view, let's go to a terrace. You're not just getting a plain staircase, you are getting this design, and at the top here you can see a beautiful chandelier up here, and also the cornice detail. It is lovely. So let's proceed with the tour. Guys, we have come to the end of this video, and thank you so much for sticking out to the end. And now because you are here, it shows that you are interested. So there are units remaining, and actually if you don't have a budget of 13M, are also bungalows for 7.3 to 7.8. The 7.8 one is the one that has a DSQ. It's a really big estate, and you get the views of Machakos. We're in Machakos County, and it's my first time here, and I'm loving it so far. So let me show you just a couple of things before we conclude. In conclusion, for sale, the units are 13M, and for the bungalows, they are 7.3 to 7.8. Also available for rent, the bungalow is 50K and the maisonete is 70K. So if you're interested in that number, you have seen how much space you have in this terrace, and guys, you can host in this space. You can do outdoor furniture, you can just chill up here, place a shade, enjoy your view and your property and the view of your estate. Thank you so much for watching. We have come to the end of this video, and if you have not subscribed, guys, please subscribe. We are at about 500 now. It will go a long way. So please like, share and subscribe. And if you're interested, there's a number in the description box, and there's also a number below here. So contact that number. We'll organize for you to come and view the property yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.